Golf Romeo Uniform, runway 25, take off your discretion, surface wind 27008 knots.
Taking off, Golf Romeo Uniform.
Romeo, Romeo, pilot report lined up, runway 25.
Local lining up, Golf Zulu Romeo.
Golf Romeo, runway 25, take off your discretion, surface wind 27008 knots.
Taking off, Golf Zulu Romeo.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night
Rotate.
has just begun.
Tap on the brakes, you're up.
It's bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
136.2, they have all the details, just give them a call. Remain clear of controlled airspace now, call sign only to the 136.2, and they'll change your squawk.
1362, thanks very much for that. I'll speak to you on the way back later. Bye.
Just speak to you later.
Come on frequency very shortly, I believe. He's inbound to Andersfield. Currently in your right, I would say about 4 o'clock, range of 5 miles. You're on converging headings into Andersfield, and you're probably going to get there around the same time. I'll give you further traffic as you get closer. Just be aware, though, you may see traffic in your right-hand side as you're heading into Andersfield.
Yeah, no problem. He's part of the same group. He's probably got his gear up, whereas mine won't go up, hence the trip to Andersfield.
Understood, roger.
Stansted director. A bit of a race here. This is Golf Charlie Bravo Zulu Romeo with you now, squawking 7043.
Golf Charlie Bravo Zulu Romeo, roger. Just be talking to your colleague there. You can squawk 7403 now for me, please. And there'll be a basic service on a QNH of 1019 or hectopascal.
Basic service, QNH of 1019, and I've got 7003. I'm just a beam stable for it right now, Golf Zulu Romeo.
And Golf Zulu Romeo, the squawk again is 7403.
Apologies, 7403 in the box now, Golf Zulu Romeo.
And Essex Golf Romeo Uniform.
Golf Romeo Uniform, pass message.
Are we the only aircraft on your frequency?
Apart from your colleague, yes.
Any chance I can just pass a message to him?
It's approved.
Golf Zulu Romeo, it's Golf Romeo Uniform. Gear won't come up, so I'm cruising 105 to 110. I don't know if you want to merge into formation. Controller says you're going to merge directly over Andersfield with us at the same time.
Golf Zulu Romeo here, relaying to Oscar, to Romeo Uniform. Negative. I'm outside of the controlled airspace, heading northbound towards Andrewsville. I will slow down by doing a couple of orbits down at the farmland and let you land first and keep way well out of your way. Zulu Romeo.
Yeah, no problem. Just thought I'd let you know. Cheers.
Will be difficult to find you in the sky.
And Essex, thanks for that. Golf Romeo uniform.
Golf Zulu Romeo, your track now take you behind Golf Romeo uniform. You can resume your own navigation to transit controlled airspace and Stansted via the 22 threshold, VF4 nominal altitude 2,000 feet on the QNH at 1020 hectopascals.
Transit the 22 threshold, not above 2,000 feet. Golf Zulu Romeo, thank you.
47,000 QSY, Golf Romeo uniform.
The flyover Stansted. It's Stansted Airport. Golf Zulu Romeo is coming up to the 22 threshold now.
Golf Zulu Romeo, roger.
Thanks for accommodating.
Golf Romeo uniform, final 27 right, landing.
Golf Zulu Romeo is just outside of Stansted's ATZ right now, calling you on box 2, heading direct Andrewsville. I'm going to be heading direct for right hand downwind for what I'm hearing is 27 right, and I've got 1010 as the QFE. Golf Zulu Romeo.
No, Golf Romeo uniform, just touched down, no other known traffic.
Andrewsville traffic, I copied that, and I'll be positioning myself for right hand downwind for 27 right, Golf Zulu Romeo. And Essex, this is Golf Zulu Romeo here. I'm coming up to the ATZ of Andrewsville now. I have the field in sight, positioning for right downwind join. Thanks very much for your service, and speak to you later.
Golf Zulu Roger, squawk 7000, service terminated, good day.
7000, and thanks again, have a good day, bye. Andrewsville traffic, Golf Zulu Romeo is right hand downwind for 27 right, Zulu Romeo. Andrewsville traffic, Golf Zulu Romeo is now turning final for 27 right to land, Golf Zulu Romeo. Andrewsville traffic, the runway is vacated, Golf Zulu Romeo.